Hi all, welcome to Clear and Concise. Let's have a look at this question. Here a matrix is given. We need to find the determinant of given matrix. For that, first let's write down the given matrix, that is cos theta 0 sin theta 0 1 0 minus sin theta 0 cos theta. This is our given matrix. Now in order to find the determinant, select a row or column where it has most number of zeros or ones. Okay, I mean to say, consider a row or column of a given matrix which is very easy to multiply. For example, I am considering here second row, this row. So we can write the determinant as first element of that row is 0. So 0 times cofactor of that element, that is cofactor of a to 1, because 0 is second row first column, plus second element, that is 1. Second element is 1. So 1 times cofactor of that element, that is a to 2. Let's assume that as a to 2, plus third element, that is 0 again. So 0 times cofactor of that element, that is a to 3. A to 3. Now product of anything with 0 is 0. So 0 plus 1 times anything is that product itself, that is cofactor of a to 2, plus again 0 times cofactor is 0. So finally we end up with cofactor of a to 2, which yields minus 1 whole power a to 2. So we need to sum the index, that is 2 plus 2 minus 1 whole power summation of index times minor of that element, minor of 2 2. That yields minus 1 power 4 is 1. So 1 times minor of 2 2 is minor of 2 2 itself. That is given by just delete second row and second column. Whatever the index that is there here, we have to delete that row and column. So here 2 2 is there. So I am deleting second row and second column and write down the remaining matrix, that is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta and cos theta. Now find the determinant of this submatrix. Okay, so it is a 2 by 2 matrix. For that, determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is equals to AD minus BC, where this is A, this is B, this is C and D. Now if we multiply it, it is cos theta times cos theta minus sin theta times sin theta. That is equals to cos theta times cos theta is cos square theta, minus times minus is plus, sin theta times sin theta is sin square theta. From the trigonometric relations, we know cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. So the correct answer for this question is 1. The determinant of given matrix is 1. It is orthogonal matrix. It is a orthogonal matrix because for orthogonal matrices, the determinant is either plus or minus 1. You will get determinant of plus or minus 1. Here it turned out to be plus 1.